In this video, let me show you how to fix Telegram two-step verification lost. So if you have lost the way that you can recover or can receive the two-step verification code, in this video, let me show you the way that you can fix it. Now there can be a few cases to this. The first case and the first method is if you have linked a recovery email. So whenever you create a new Telegram account, it will ask you to add in a recovery email. If you have added in the recovery email, you can simply receive the code via the email and then you'd be able to reset your password. But however, if you do not have access or have not added in the recovery email, in this situation you need to reset your account. So whenever you are on the login page, you can simply tap on the forgot password option and then you'd be able to see the option called no access to email or reset account. Once you tap on it, and then you'll need to tap the reset to confirm. So similarly, once you tap on the reset to confirm, you'll need to wait exactly 7 days. Telegram enforces a mandatory 7-day security relay to ensure that hackers aren't trying to access your account. So once you complete this step, you should be able to recover your account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.